Okay, number 12. The frequency table shows the height in inches of 12 basketball players. What fraction of the players are 70 inches or taller? So 70 inches or taller is going to be both of these amounts. So it's 6 plus 3 is 9 of the players are 70 or 70 inches or taller out of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so 9/12, and then that can be reduced. So I can divide my numerator and my denominator by 3. So then 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So 3/4 of the players are 70 inches or taller. Number 13. A teacher surveys her students to find out how much time the students spent eating lunch on Monday. She uses blank as the unit of measure. Well, you can see right here, she uses minutes. That one was super easy. Okay, number 14. For numbers 14a through 14d, choose yes or no to indicate whether the question is a statistical question. 14a. What are the heights of the trees in the park? That is yes, a statistical question because they're going to be of varying heights. Number 14b. How old are the trees in the park? That's going to be yes as well because the trees could be planted at different times, so there could be variability there. Number 14c. How tall is the cypress tree on the north side of the lake this morning? That is no, because it's one amount on one day, so it's not statistical. Number 14d. What are the diameters of the trees in the park? They're going to be different diameters, so yes, that is a statistical question. Okay, number 15. 5 friends have 8, 6, 5, 2, and 4 baseball cards to divide equally among themselves. Each friend will get blank cards. So you're going to look for your average, which is your mean. So this would be 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 7, 11. So that would be 25. And then I'd be dividing that by the 5 friends. So each friend is going to get 5 cards. So your mean or average is 5. Number 16. The data set shows the ages of the members of the cheerleading squad. What is the most common age of the members of the squad? Explain how to find the answer using a dot plot. So we've done this several times, so we're going to do a dot plot. I don't have any 7-year-olds. 8-year-olds, I have one that I can see. 9, 1, 10, 1, 11, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 12, I have 1, 2. 13, I have 1. 14, I have 1. So if I draw a dot plot, the value 11 appears 3 times. So the most common age of the cheerleaders is 11 years old. Number 17. The band director kept a record of the number of concert tickets sold by 20 band members. Complete the frequency table by finding the frequency and the relative frequency. So they did the 1 to 5, and so 6 to 10. This is going to be confusing. Okay, 6 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. Let me make sure that's right. 10. I'll go back and do that other part in a minute. So 1 to 5, they said it was just 1, so that's probably my 4. Okay, 11 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. And then 16 to 20, I have 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3. Okay, so then to do my relative frequency, I have to figure out how much out of the total. So this one was, it said 20 band members. So then for this one, it would be 1 out of 20, and then you just divide. So now I'm going to do the same thing. So it's 10/20ths, which that's equal to 1/2. So the percent would be 50%. That one's just easy. I just know that one by heart. So 50%. The next one is going to be 6 out of 20. So remember, this line means to divide. So 6 divided by 20, add a decimal, bring it up, add a 0. 20 goes into 60 3 times. So then when I go to change it from a decimal to a percent, I need to move my decimal 2 times. So this would be 1, add a 0, 2. So this would be 30%. We have one more, 3/20ths, same thing. This means divide. So it's 3 divided by 20, add a decimal, add a 0. It'll go 1 time, subtract, add another 0. 20 will go into 100 5 times, move my decimal 2 times, so 15%. Number 18. Gilbert is training for a marathon by running each week. The table shows the distances in miles that he ran each week during the first 7 weeks. Part A. Gilbert set a goal that the mean number of miles he runs in 7 weeks is at least 14 miles. Did Gilbert reach his goal? Use words and numbers to support your answer. So I'm looking for my mean, so I'm looking for my average. So I'm going to add up all of these and then divide by 7 because it's over 7 days. So this would be 8 plus 10 is 18, 9 plus 10, 19, 15, 18, 21. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 10, 26, 31, 3, 91, divided by 7. So 13 is his mean, so he did not meet his goal because his goal was to run 14 miles. So for that one, it says no, Gilbert did not reach his goal. The mean number of miles he ran in 7 weeks was 13 miles, and 13 is less than 14. So Gilbert did not reach his goal. Now part B. It says, suppose Gilbert had run 18 miles during week 5. So I'm going to change this to 18. And 22 miles during week 6. So I'm going to just change those two. Use words and numbers. So would he have reached his goal? Use words and numbers to support your answer. So now I'm going to do the same thing. So this is going to be 18, 19, 18, 22, 21. So on this one, I have 10, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 10, 27, 28, 98. And then I'm going to divide by 7 again because it's over 7 days. And I get 14. So yes, he met his goal. Yes, Gilbert would have reached his goal. The new mean is 14. The mean number of miles that he wanted to run was at least 14, so Gilbert reached his goal. If you have any questions, leave them on the classroom.